Are you constantly fighting a nagging toothache, bleeding gums, or a stomach that feels constantly unsettled? This is painful. You might feel strange movements in your gut, intense sugar cravings, or notice your hair thinning rapidly. It is scary. You have tried brushing harder and taking vitamins, but the pain and the fatigue just won't go away. You are stuck. These are not random symptoms. They are signs that your body is fighting a hidden war against bacteria and parasites. You are under attack. Imagine one tiny dried flower bud that acts as the most powerful natural anesthetic in the world. It stops pain instantly. This numbing spice creates a sensation that shuts off nerve pain on contact, acting faster than many drugs. It is instant relief, but it doesn't just numb pain. It is a nuclear weapon against the microscopic eggs of parasites living in your intestines. It dissolves them. This brown spice is scientifically proven to lower blood sugar, strengthen your bones, and stimulate massive hair growth. The results are real. It acts as the ultimate oral antiseptic, killing the bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease. It cleans your mouth. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to deep internal cleansing, pain relief, and restoring your confidence. It saves you money. We'll expose the crucial difference between whole buds and ground powder, and why one is useless. Get the potent form. If you ignore these symptoms, you risk losing your teeth, chronic digestive failure, and permanent hair loss. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact clove water recipe you need and the simple way to chew it. For maximum effect, do it right. Don't skip the final warning about the specific liver danger if you take too much of this powerful oil. Be careful. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to killing pain and pests naturally. Your relief starts now. The legendary spice we are revealing today, the tiny dried flower bud with the power of a giant, is the clove. Cloves come from the Syzygium aromaticum tree and have been the king of spices in ancient medicine for centuries. In ancient China, you were not allowed to speak to the emperor unless you had a clove in your mouth to sweeten your breath. But today we know it is much more than a breath mint. The secret weapon inside the clove is a volatile oil called Eugenol. Eugenol is one of the most powerful natural compounds ever discovered. It acts as a local anesthetic, which means it physically numbs the nerves it touches. This is why dentists have used clove oil for over 100 years to treat dry sockets and root canal pain. If you have a throbbing toothache, placing a single clove on the spot acts like a natural shot of Nigericin. It numbs the pain within minutes while simultaneously killing the bacteria causing the infection. But the power of Eugenol goes far deeper than your mouth. Let's talk about the parasite cleanse. Most natural remedies, like walnut hulls, kill adult worms. But cloves are unique because Eugenol has the ability to dissolve the hard, protective shell of parasite eggs. If you don't kill the eggs, the parasites just hatch again in 2 weeks, and the cycle never ends. This is why cloves are the essential third ingredient in every professional parasite cleanse. They stop the reproduction cycle, ensuring that the infestation is completely wiped out. Now, let's look at the incredible benefits for diabetes and blood sugar. Cloves contain a compound called Nigericin. Nigericin mimics the action of insulin. In the body, it helps your cells absorb sugar from the blood, drastically lowering your circulating glucose levels. Studies indicate that consuming cloves can improve insulin function and reduce the risk of diabetes complications. This makes it a powerful spice for anyone trying to manage their metabolic health naturally. We must discuss the viral trend of clove water for hair growth. Hair loss is often caused by poor circulation to the scalp, and fungal infections, dandruff that block follicles. Clove water is a stimulant. When sprayed on the scalp, it drastically increases blood flow to the hair roots. This fresh blood brings oxygen and nutrients, waking up dormant follicles. Simultaneously, the antiseptic power of the clove kills the dandruff fungus and cleans the scalp. This dual action creates the perfect environment for thick, rapid hair growth. Now let's talk about bone health. Cloves are surprisingly rich in manganese. Just 1 teaspoon of cloves provides over 50% of your daily manganese needs. Manganese is a mineral that is critical for building bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Without it, your body cannot build the structural matrix of the bone. Taking cloves is an easy way to protect your skeleton as you age. Let's look at the liver protection. While high doses of isolated eugenol can be toxic, more on that later. Whole cloves in small amounts are actually hepatoprotective. They contain high levels of antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress and help reverse fatty liver deposits. It stimulates the liver to detoxify itself, improving your overall energy and digestion. However, the form matters immensely. You must buy whole cloves, the little dried buds. Do not buy pre-ground clove powder for medicinal use. Once a clove is ground, the volatile eugenol oil evaporates very quickly. The powder loses its potency within weeks. You want to crush the whole clove yourself right before using it to release the fresh numbing oil. The dosage and preparation are key. Method 1. The chewing method for digestion and teeth. Take 1 or 2 whole cloves and place them in your mouth. Suck on them until they soften, then gently chew them. This releases the oil directly into your mouth, numbing any pain and freshening your breath instantly. Swallow the juice, then spit out the fibrous remains. Do this once a day. Method 2. Clove water for parasites and hair. Take 1 tablespoon of whole cloves and boil them in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and turn a deep brown color. Strain the cloves out. You can drink a small shot of this water in the morning to kill internal parasites. Or put it in a spray bottle and spray your scalp daily for hair growth. We must address the final urgent warning regarding safety. Eugenol is powerful medicine. In high concentrations, it acts as a blood thinner. If you are on blood-thinning medication like warfarin or have a bleeding disorder, do not consume large amounts of cloves. Stop taking them 2 weeks before any surgery. Also, never give clove oil essential oil to young children. Their livers cannot process concentrated eugenol, and it can cause severe toxicity or seizures. Stick to the whole culinary spice or the diluted tea for safety. For everyone else, this tiny brown bud is a giant killer. It kills the pain, it kills the worms, and it brings your hair back to life. This affordable kitchen spice is your ultimate tool for conquering the hidden enemies in your body. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this numbing spice. Now tell us in the comments below, have you ever used clove oil for a toothache, and did it work instantly? We want to hear your reaction. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with dental pain or hair loss, please share it immediately with them. You could be saving them from agony. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Use the spice of life and reclaim your power. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.